because these are small towns, some of these chains just don't have a presence in these areas. You're most likely to find Holiday Inns, Best Westerns, and Hiltons like Hampton Inn and Homewood Suites, those type of hotels in these areas. So in comparison, in terms of some Holiday Inn Express, you can find a lot of those. So the Holiday Inn Express in Moab was 30,000 points. The Holiday Inn Express in Kanab, which is the town that we have stayed in outside of Zion. So that's a good home base for doing Zion and Bryce Canyon. So that one is only 17,500 points. Springdale Holiday Inn Express, again, that's another gateway to Zion. That one was more, 40,000 points. They had both a Holiday Inn and a Holiday Inn Express in Bozeman for 15,000 points each. There was one near Yosemite and one in Fresno for 15 to 17,000. One in Joshua Tree, the little town outside of Joshua Tree. You can also stay in Palm Springs to reach that one, but only 20,000 points. So I think you can see that's a much better points redemption. And Holiday Inn Express gives you a free breakfast. It's not a suite hotel, but you do at least get the free breakfast, and you can really stretch your points pretty far there. And you want to remember to go back and look at our How to Stay Free in Hotels webinars, that whole series where we talk about which chains give you free nights. And so you can book 3 nights, like say for a Holiday Inn, and get the 4th night free by holding one of their cards. That's a even better redemption. So if you're only spending, less than 20,000 points per night, that's a pretty good deal. And you're getting a free breakfast on top of it.